In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print out Milanote board to a PDF in a printer-friendly size. Start by heading to the Milanote website and opening the board you want to print. Make sure you're looking at the exact board you plan to share or archive, because everything you see on the canvas is what will appear in your PDF. Take a moment to zoom to a comfortable level so you can review the layout clearly. Before exporting, clean up the layout. This step makes all the difference in how professional your PDF will look. Arrange your content into clear columns or well-defined sections so the eye knows where to go. Avoid scattering elements across the canvas. When items are floating in every direction, the export tends to create awkward gaps or tiny, unreadable text. Aim for a logical reading flow, either from top to bottom or left to right, just like a document. Group related notes, images, and cards together, and keep consistent spacing so the structure feels intentional. A tidy board becomes a tidy PDF. When you're happy with the layout, click the Share button in the top right corner and choose Export as PDF. Milanote will compile the board into a single document. Depending on the size and content, this might take a moment, so let it finish preparing the file. To make the result printer-friendly, you have two good approaches. If you prefer to adjust before export, try to keep your board shaped roughly like a standard page. Portrait, or landscape, but not extremely wide. Very wide boards shrink too much when printed, which can make text hard to read. The recommended approach is to refine the print settings after export. Open the PDF and press Ctrl+P to bring up the print dialog. Set the paper size to A4 or letter, whichever you typically use. For scale, choose Fit to Page or 100% so the content fills the sheet without clipping. Match the orientation to your board's layout: portrait for tall, column-based designs, landscape for wider spreads. Enable margins set to default or narrow to prevent anything from being cut off at the edges while still maximizing usable space. These settings help the PDF print cleanly and predictably on standard printers. Finally, decide how you want to output it. You can save the finalized version as a PDF for sharing or archiving, or send it straight to the printer. With a neat layout, the correct export, and the right print settings, your Milanote board will look polished, readable, and ready for any meeting or handout.